Have you noticed something? Whenever people have money to invest, they all ask the same question. Which Nigerian stock should I buy now? BIGGESTDC. And whenever they ask this question, I smile. Not because they asked a bad question, but because they asked a wrong question. The better question is, how do I know if a stock is worth buying in the first place? Because once you understand that, nobody will need to spoon feed you stock picks ever again. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I look at Nigerian stocks even before I open the chart. And at the end of this video, we're going to use UBA as a real life example. Let me tell you something. When I entered the stock market, I thought it was only the chart I needed. Support, resistance, trend line, breakout, retest, indicators. But then I was wrong. One day I asked myself, BIGGESTDC, if this company ever disappears tomorrow, will anybody miss it? That question changed everything. Because that day I realized something. When you buy a stock, you're not just buying a chart, but you are buying a business. You are becoming a tiny owner of that company. Depends on your investment. Sometimes you become a large owner of that particular company, depending on your investment. And I told myself, if I'm becoming the owner of this company, then I need to know more than just charts about this company. I need to know the in total of this company. Imagine someone tells you, buy a restaurant. Would the first thing you ask be, show me the building? No, you'd ask, how much does that restaurant make? Yeah, that's exactly how you should think about stocks. So before I invest in a stock, the first thing I look at is the business growing? Immediately, just like Warren Buffett, I forget about the stock price immediately. I then ask myself, is this company making more than it was making last year? If that is the case, it shows that the company is growing. And if it's not, it shows that there's a problem somewhere. And I think that is the way you should start thinking and looking at these stocks. You're trying to invest and always asking me, BIGGESTDC, is now the best time to buy? So you see, easy peasy. A healthy business often shows itself through its growing revenue. That is the first green flag. Now, here's where many beginners make a mistake. They celebrate revenue, but revenue alone doesn't pay investors. Profit does. Imagine I own a supermarket. This year, I sell 1 billion naira worth of goods. Sounds impressive, right? But if I spent 1 billion and 50 million naira running that business, it simply means I lost. Yes, of course, I actually lost because the money spent on running the company is way more than the revenue that came into the company. That is a negative. That is why I always ask, is the company making profit every year? And profit is not just in selling more, but actually in keeping more. And of course, profit tells us if management actually knows what they are doing or not. Then comes my third question. Does the company reward shareholders? Some companies have built a history of paying dividends, while others focus on reinvesting the profits to grow the business. Neither approach automatically makes a company good or bad. The key is consistency. I want to see a company that creates value for the people who own it. That is what every long-term investing should be about. Now, let's use UBA for an example. I hope Tony Lumelo doesn't come for me. Has the business been growing? Yes. UBA has continued to expand across several African countries, and they have reported a strong increase in revenue growth every year. Second, is the company profitable? Again, yes. Its profit has grown strongly, showing that the business isn't just generating more income, but also converting that income into earnings. Third, does it reward shareholders? Again, yes. UBA has maintained a track record of paying dividends, although dividends can change depending on the company's performance and decisions by its board. Now, does this automatically mean you should buy UBA stocks now? Absolutely not, because this is where many people get it wrong. Now, let's delve into the technical analysis of UBA. Come close. Let's go. In the description box of this video, you'll see a link to a detailed technical analysis I did on UBA stocks. But for the course of this video, this is my technical analysis on UBA stocks. For now, I think it's so wrong to buy UBA stocks. And I analyzed these UBA stocks when UBA was at 45.2 naira per unit. And I told everyone, now is not the best time to buy UBA stocks. I'm thinking that UBA stocks is going to drop down to this, and the reason why I say so is also in that particular video. So make sure you watch the detailed technical analysis video I did on UBA stocks. The link is in the description box of this particular video. And I told everyone that cared to listen, do not buy UBA stocks at 45 naira, but patiently wait, it's going to drop, and currently UBA stocks is at 38 naira, and I'm still expecting UBA stocks to drop down to at least 19 naira. Then around 19 naira zone, you can start buying UBA stocks. Remember, this is not a financial advice. This video is strictly for educational and entertainment purposes. Now back to the chart. At about 19 naira, I'm expecting a huge buys to flow into UBA stocks, and from there, I'm expecting UBA stocks to push up to at least 55 naira per unit. I hope you enjoyed the analysis and the information you got from me. This is the first time I'm showing my handsome face on this channel. So do well to follow me on other socials. The links are in the description box of this video. And also, for those of you that are yet to start your investment journey, do well to sign up on Bamboo and don't forget to use the code BIGGESTDC. You can also join our Telegram channel for day-to-day market tips and updates. The link is also in the description box of this particular video. And do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications, and see you in the next video. Peace out.